Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create posts for your Cardiff Connected profile. Go to the main feed and click here. This box will appear, just start typing your post and you can use all these tools to edit your text and make it look more interesting. To include your friends in the conversation, just tag them by clicking tag people and go ahead and type your friend's name. And I'll tag Ellen, there she is. You can also upload images or attach files to the post and just browse your computer and you'll be able to paste anything on here. You can also add a link to go with your post. All you have to do is copy the link of the page and paste it in this box here. And underneath here, you can type the words that you want to redirect to that page and you're all set. So once you're done with your post and once you're done with typing and tagging and attaching, all you have to do is post and you're good to go.